Good afternoon, YouTube. Today's video is emblems or badges on your, how to put emblems or badges on your vehicle. I have a 2022 Chevy Silverado that I'm going to badge up because I like badges. I went online and I ordered OEM badges, which is original equipment manufacturer items that come with the vehicle. They sell this, it's metal. They sell these are also metal. Metal, upside down, yeah. And it also have the adhesive backing on them. So you don't have to do anything but measure and stick these in the right place. This is what I'm gonna be putting on today. It's a 5.3 liter Vortex badge, and I'm gonna be putting it on right here. What I did was I've already measured where I'm gonna put it at and how it's gonna look, okay? And these bad boys right here, haven't decided what I'm gonna do with them yet, okay? Okay, I'm back. Couple of things. This is just regular alcohol from out of the house. This is body tape, auto body tape, and of course Windex. Now, if you could see what I've done already, this is the badge that I'm gonna be putting on. I've already pretty much measured it, and it's gonna go right there. And I took and I measured from here to where I want the badge to start at, and it's gonna be the same for the other side. And all we're gonna do is repeat the process. And I placed the badge exactly where I wanted it. And then I measured the tape, the height from here up, so that the alignment is straight. And as simple as 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm gonna take this back off. Okay, so this is gonna stick automatically. I'm gonna put it over there. So now that I have the location for the badge, I'm gonna take some basic rubbing alcohol. And this is what the badge is gonna do. Okay. All this has been measured, pre-measured. Then I'm gonna flip the tissue over so that I can get to the other side, and I'm gonna wipe it again to dry it. And next, I'm gonna take the badge I'm gonna use. This is the badge. Pull the adhesive protector off. Place that there. Now, when you put this on, I'm not gonna put it directly flat on it. I'm gonna do it at an angle, so when I lay it down completely, it's in the right spot. So it's up like this. It's up at an angle first. And once I got it in the right place, all I do is lay it down. Lay it, press it, try to shift it a little bit. Okay. It's about 1/4 of an inch. I left 1/4 of an inch over here and 1/4 of an inch underneath of it so that I know that it's in the right spot. Move it around a little bit. And yeah, there you go. And for this one, that's all to it. And I'm not gonna take this tape all the way off, but I am gonna move it a little bit so that you can see actually where the badge is at. And there it is. I love badges. And this engine is a 5.3 liter Vortex. And what a Vortex engine does, it was designed, the combustion chamber or where the piston is at was designed for the fuel air mixture to go in like this, like a vortex, like a tornado. And it makes the engine run more efficient, and it gives it a little bit extra power. A lot of guys don't believe it, but it gives a little bit extra power. And as far as the badges goes, that's it, and this is the Vortex. Okay. And you can see it, the badge is right here. Straight, pretty easy, and I'm gonna actually do the same thing for the other side over here. This badge here came with the vehicle. However, down here, I've added this also myself. Let's see. I added the 4x4. Okay. Okay, that's it for us putting the badge on there. Really simple. You order what comes with the manufacturer sales, because it's normally a light metal or aluminum or something that it won't fade. If you get plastic or something like that, it's gonna fade. You have to take it back off. So get the right stuff the right time. Other than that, if you enjoyed the video, like it, can use it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumb down. Subscribe to the channel so you get the rest of any other videos that may be coming out. I'm Clarence. Peace, and we'll see you the next time around.